So today we're going to start learning about the rainforest. What is the rainforest? The rainforest is a jungle with a lot of tall trees. The temperature is warm. It rains often. Can we read that all together? The rainforest is a jungle with a lot of tall trees. The temperature is warm. It rains often. So that means it's really warm and it rains a lot in the rainforest. There are many different types of animals that live in the rainforest. There are at least 10 million different species that live there. So that means there's 10 million different kinds of animals and plants and bugs and all these different things that live there. And having 10 million different species is a lot. You can find more life in the rainforest, more different kinds of life, than you can anywhere in the world. There are 4 layers in the rainforest. There's the emergent layer, the canopy layer, the understory layer, and lastly, we have the forest floor. Let's say those all together. First up is the emergent layer. Then is the canopy layer. Then we have the understory layer. And finally, there's the forest floor. Forest floor. The forest floor is at the bottom of the rainforest. It is the ground level. On the forest floor, you will find elephants, tapirs, and tigers. So a lot of the animals that we see on the forest floor are there because they can't really climb up that high, so they have to stay on the ground. Then we have the understory. The understory is the second layer of the rainforest. It is very hot and humid. There is not a lot of sunlight there. You will find many different kinds of plants. So there's lots of different plants and things that grow there. You'll see some bats like they're over here. You'll see a lot of different kinds of monkeys and some snakes. You might see some lizards, and then here you might see some frogs. And a frog that you can only find in the rainforest is this one. That's called a red-eyed tree frog. After that, there's the canopy. The most plant and animal life is found in this layer. So that means there's more animals and plants that live there than in all the other layers. So you'll be able to see a lot more things. It is filled with a lot of branches and leaves. You can find lemurs. This is our lemurs. You can see sloths, like we see them right here. You can see a toucan or an orangutan. Next up is the emergent layer. The tallest trees are in the emergent layer. There is a lot of sunlight here. You will find eagles. You'll see some more monkeys, some more bats, and since this is getting up a lot higher, you might see some butterflies flying too. And those are our 4 layers of the rainforest.